Yes, that's what we're gonna do. We have the Supra. Everything is off. Everything is sanded or scuff padded and clean. So we're gonna mask what we don't want to paint, and we're gonna go for it tomorrow morning. So I started at 3 p.m. now it's 10. We are going to spray paint tomorrow. I'm gonna do a final wipe tomorrow. Final wipe yesterday. I'm tired. It's warm today, and we have, starting from here, primer. We have two colors which match the car, and then we have the clear coat. Mask, of course, and I gotta cover my hair with something. Last time my mom came here, she left this. Well, I'm gonna use it. Sorry. Just a mist. Wait 15 minutes and we are gonna do one more. Alright, we're gonna do the collar now. So let's start on the inside. Alright. Woo! You ready? Four or five coats, I think, because I didn't do very heavy, and it's still drying there. So everything looking good. Everything was this color here, if you remember, which was factory primer. And actually, I had no idea. I just talked to my buddy Danijel. Check out his channel. It's Poor Man's Car Garage. He does a lot of eclipses and stuff, and actually he incentivized me to buy most of the crap I have here, like the TIG welder, which was awesome, sandblaster, and some other things that we have in there. And also he was the one that said, dude, you gotta paint your engine. So here am I, procrastinated as much as I could. That was the weather though, and the lack of knowledge. So I got touch-up paint. You put there your car, your ear. No, they do not sponsor me, but I really think they have good product. I use on 3 cars right now, and it looks very good. Then after this, we're gonna do clear coat. Never done this kind here, so I guess you're gonna push the button there. 2 minutes, spray. So first, it is primer. So automotive primer. Don't use wood primer, it's not going to work very well. So automotive primer. First coat, very light. You basically won't see any change. It's just like a mist. And apparently that's good for, I'm not say adhesion, something like that. And you wait. I waited for 5-7 minutes. It was dry already. So I sprayed the second coat. Wait for 15 minutes. And the third coat a little heavier, and I waited for 15 more minutes, or when it was dry. Then I start with the base coat, which is what is there right now. I did one light coat. It didn't quite change much. It's kind of frustrating, especially for someone anxious like me. You start doing it and you don't see any change. You want to squirt a little more, you don't want to do it. So just a spray, do it from afar, a little fast. That's what I did. Okay, I'm not professional. Then I did the second coat, which was a little heavier, going a little slower. And now I did 4 coats, because according to my buddy, I wasn't putting enough paint, but I'd rather not put enough and not have any running paint. That's the first time in my whole life that I spray paint something and I don't have anything running in there. So I'm waiting for around 20 minutes or for that paint to be tacky. And then we are going to do a light coat, and I'm gonna ask him again, and I'm gonna tell here. Check out his channel, Poor Man's Car Garage. He's actually painting with a proper spray gun and all that stuff. His Mitsubishi Eclipse. All right, so let's get the 2K clear. This is the one I'm using. I got a touch-up paint. We're gonna put this on the bottom, squeeze it. I guess that's it. And shake for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna do last coat. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh man, this is gonna be beautiful. And there you go. The after. Look at how beautiful. So shiny. Yeah, now we are ready to put the engine in. Shiny on shiny. And that's it, guys. My hair looks beautiful. So is the car. I just put this in here just to see how it's gonna look. All of that wiring is gonna go to the side here and it's gonna be hidden. I already start making the connections for the power steering before putting the engine in, which is going to require me to mount a cooler in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We are one step closer. I'm gonna try to drop this engine tomorrow, but I'm not sure. So stay tuned.